This channel gained over 154K subscribers with just 35 videos and also gained 17 million views. In this video, we are going through 3 steps. Number 1, how much this channel is earning per month. Number 2, how many subscribers and views I gained by cloning this channel. Number 3, how to make these viral videos. So let's move towards step 1, which is to check the earning. I will simply go to the channel and copy its handle or name. Then I will click on the search bar and search Social Blade. Now open the first website. Now you will see this interface. Now I will click search bar on the top and paste the channel name that I copied. Now you can see that the channel is showing, so I will simply click on it. Now I will scroll down. You can see that in the last 30 days, this channel gained 4K subscribers and 17 million views. Now I will simply copy the views. Then I will come to ChatGPT and paste the views. Then I will write about its niche and ask about the channel earnings. You can see that even if I keep its earning at $4, which is a common thing, even then this channel earned $6,812 in the last 30 days, and that's only from Google AdSense. I'm not talking about sponsorships, affiliate links, or memberships. The earnings will be much higher if I add them too. Let me show you my channel to see if I really achieved 135,000 views from just 6 videos or not. So I'll simply click on my profile, and here I'll get the option to view your channel. I'll click on that, and you can see that I have gained 620 subscribers, and all of that from just 6 videos. Now, let me show you the views. For this, I'll click on More, and you can see that my country of residence is the United States. I've gained 620 subscribers with 6 videos and over 135,000 views. As you can see, each of my videos has thousands of views. Now, let's check one of my videos to see my content. The videos are going viral because they are very engaging. I edited these videos on mobile phone in just 5 minutes, and in this video I will show you step by step how I edit them. I just have one request. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel so I can continue bringing valuable content for you. Now we can find content for our videos with 2 methods. Number 1, YouTube. Number 2, Instagram. Personally, I find second method easier, but we will discuss both. Maybe you will find first one easier. For the first method, simply open YouTube, now tap on search bar and search Tom and Jerry cartoon. Now here we will get thousands of videos from where we can pick clips, but the problem is that these are long videos, so finding good clips can take hours. That's why I prefer the second method. For this method, simply open Instagram. Click on the search bar given below. Now search Tom and Jerry. Now open the verified page showing. Here we will get ready-made clips which we can upload after editing. So now I'll choose a clip. To download it, I'll simply copy its link. Now I'll open VidMate. Click on the search bar, paste the link I copied, and press enter. Now it will give the option to download the video, so I'll simply click on it and click download to download the video. For the background music, simply open VidMate. Now click on the search bar, search Automotivo Mangoes slowed and reversed. Now click continue. Here you will get many videos. Simply scroll down a little. We need this video to be downloaded for the background music, so click on the download icon showing. Here we are given both audio and video options. Since I only want the background music, I will click on audio and then click on download. Now our audio has been downloaded. Now simply open KineMaster. Now click on Create New Project. Select the ratio as 9:16 because we are making a short video, and click on Create. Now this interface of KineMaster will appear. Simply click on Download Video File and tap on the downloaded video. The video will automatically be imported on the timeline. First, we will click on the cross at the top so that the videos move to the side. Now we have to make some adjustments to this video. First, on the right side, we will click on Mixer. Now set both volume options to 0%. Now click Cross on the top. Scroll down a bit. Click on the Filter option. From here, choose any filter according to your video. Again, click Cross. Now scroll down and turn on Vignette option. Now we have to scroll up a bit and click on Adjustments. Now here, adjust the brightness, contrast, vibrance, according to your video. Now, click on the Audio option and scroll down a bit and click on the Folders option. Now, here when you click on the Download option, you will see that audio which we just downloaded for background music. Click on it and click on the plus option. The audio will automatically come onto the timeline. Now the length of the audio is 1 minute and 47 seconds, but the part of the audio we need starts after 35 seconds. So I will simply go to 34 seconds on the audio and click on the audio layer first. Now I will scroll down on the right side and click on the Trim and Split option and trim left. Now I will drag the voice back to the start. Now I play the video. The sound is getting loud at the perfect spot. Now I want to freeze the end for a little while so that the video runs till the complete sound. So I will simply click on the video and click on Trim and Split now. Here I will click on the Split and Insert Freeze Frame option. Now, you can see that the end of the video has been frozen. Now, this extra part at the end, to delete it, I will click on it, and on the left side, click on the delete icon. Now, to bring a change between the video and the freeze part, I will click on the freeze part and click on Adjustment and adjust it a little. Now, I will click on the back option. Now I will click on the layer option and then click on text. Now, to increase the suspense in the video, I will write the text, Jerry rocked and Tom shocked, and also add stickers. Now I will drag the text to the top. Now to change its font, I will click on Font on the right side and then click on Android. And from here, choose the Roboto Bold font and click on Tick. Now I will click on the text layer and drag it across the entire video. Now again, I will click on the layer option and go to Text. And from here, choose a suspense sticker and click OK. Now I will set this sticker in the center. Now I will click on the sticker layer, and on the right side, click on Overall Animation. Now scroll down, and here I will click on the floating animation. Now I go back and play the video to see how it turned out. Now, to delete the extra sound, I will click on the audio layer and scroll down on the right side, click on Trim and Split option. And Trim Right. Now our video is ready, so I will simply click on the Export option and click on Save as Video and save the video. Now I have just one request. Please like my video and leave a sweet comment to encourage me. I'll see you in my next video.